Let's make the viral sushi bake. The sushi bake is so delicious. It's savory, it's umami. This has been trending for the past couple years now and I had to make it myself. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. That was really good. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. To a bowl, I added imitation crab. Depending on how fancy you are, you can use real crab if you want. So right here, you can just throw it in the blender or peel them apart like bite-sized pieces. Really up to you. So to this, I'm gonna go ahead and add in cream cheese. This is optional. And I air fried my salmon at 375 for 10 minutes.
For the salmon, I'm gonna separate them to bite-sized pieces. If you want, you could just cut it into chunks.
I'm gonna add some of my fish roll, Masago. I'm gonna reserve a little bit for later. Spring onions or scallions. And I'm gonna reserve a little bit for later as well. Some ponzu sauce and a little bit of sesame. Generous amount of sriracha. And some Japanese Kewpie meal. Look at that. Wow. So let's give this a mix and combine well. I have my sushi rice here. I'm gonna pour some rice vinegar. Toss, mix, and combine well. And now I'm just gonna flatten them. Get a little layer. Now put in your mixture. This is perfect for the holidays, potlucks. You can layer it with some furikake. Wow, so beautiful. Pop of color. Sriracha, mayo. The more the better. This smells and looks so good already. I'm gonna pop this and bake this in the oven. 365 for 12 minutes.
Once you're done baking them for 12 minutes, go ahead and boil for 7 minutes. Now I do understand that the temp for every oven is a little different, so you want to play it safe by just baking it or boil it till golden brown.
Kewpie mayo, some more furikake, some more Masago, spring onion scallions. I'm gonna drizzle some sriracha.
And just like that, guys, we're done. Pair this up with some sliced avocado, some toasted seaweed snacks if you want, or you can eat it by itself. And for those who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of different recipes and I food blog in SoCal. Follow for more.